Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you an easy way on how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. Okay, now if you have your own Shopify store, you can then have multiple Shopify stores if you want. Okay, inside your own Shopify store, you can create multiple Shopify stores and you can switch between your Shopify stores inside your own Shopify store. Okay, on the dashboard of your Shopify store. Now what you guys need to do now to create multiple Shopify stores, you just need to click here in the top right. You will see the store name, your Shopify store name. Click on it, and then you want to click on all stores here. As you can see, it displays here all stores. Click on it. After guys, you click on all stores, you can then click on here where it says create store. Okay, now as you can see, this is the stores that are active. Okay, your own Shopify stores, you will find them here, and you can add multiple Shopify stores here. Just click on create store. After guys, you click on create store, just select and choose an account, which is your own account. Okay, your own Shopify account. Click on next, and then click again on next. Click on get started. Now after guys, you click on get started, your Shopify store will be created. Okay, the second Shopify store will be created. As you can see, they ask you guys to select a plan here. You don't have to, you can still use it for 3 days. Okay, click on I'll decide later. All right, now we have successfully created the second Shopify store. Now if you click on the store name in the top right, you will find now 2 Shopify stores. As you can see, before I only had 1, but now I have like 2 Shopify stores, and you can also add 3, 4, 5. Okay, the same process. Click on add all stores and then click on create Shopify, create a new Shopify store. That's it. Okay, click here, click on all stores, and then do the exact same steps. Okay, now to switch between your own Shopify store, just click on it. Okay, here I just named it my store, and the second one is also my store. It has the same name. So if you change the name, you just need to select your store. Okay, click on it, and it will take you directly to your own Shopify store. If you want to switch back to the original, to the first store, click on it, and it will take you back to the first store. Now keep in mind, each store you will have to, pay the subscription. Like for example, each month you will have to pay the fee for each store you have. Okay, so like your first store doesn't have anything to do with your second store. Okay, you will have to do everything from scratch after you create your own the like multiple Shopify stores. Each store you will have to do everything from scratch. Okay, you will have to select a plan, you will have to add products, you will have to do everything. Okay, so that's it. I hope guys this video helped you. Yeah, drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.